what's up? So I gotta start off this video with something real quick. I'm feeling kind of picky today, you know what I mean? Generally, I'm not a picky person, but I found myself just recently in a situation of if I want pizza or sushi for dinner tonight. Generally, I say it's all good. I don't care. Today, I care. Now, the reason I bring this up is because we just got a mystery box. You guys have been hounding me to review. I think it's gonna be a waste of money. I spent $100 on it, plus shipping, $133 for this mystery box. I've seen it all over Instagram. This thing's going freaking viral, bro. Like, they have those annoying ads of this thing on Instagram. It's just really annoying. So, anyway, everyone's asking me to unbox it, bring it back to picky mood thing. I feel like it's not good. I feel like it's not gonna be good. So I'm gonna give you my God's honest truth on this mystery box that we're about to unbox of jewelry. It's a $100 jewelry mystery box, and I have zero hope for it. Not sponsored. I've worked with this company in the past, but I don't give a shit. Collab with me or not later. I don't care. Aparo. I'm gonna put their name out one time. If you want to buy it, it's Aparo, but it's not sponsored whatsoever. Anyway, mystery box coming in hot. Back in action. We're back in action. What a weird start. I'm feeling no BS today, boys. Hey, man, real quick, all I gotta say, man, your comments and thumbs up are so appreciated. Just to work with the algorithm with me, guys. Just thumbsing up and commenting helps so much. You know, weekly now, I'm getting old prior videos of mine that were cool back in the day, but not now with YouTube getting taken down. You know, I was a little more SHITTIY of a person. I'm still the same person, but I fake it for YouTube because they suck. Anyway, it helps the algorithm if you guys do that. Appreciate you guys so much. So anyway, I've already explained it. I mean, we have a freaking mystery box right here. Said their name once, I'm not gonna say it again. And $100. Let's see what's in it, boys. Oh, hold on, quick ad so I can make some money. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. Link is down below. We've got mystery boxes on there. Guess what? They're only $24.99. You're guaranteed to get more value out of the money you spent or something like that. I'm not really good at pitching these things, but it's super dope, bro. Somebody who orders one of the mystery boxes is either gonna get a PS5 or an Xbox Series X, and we also got free jewelry on there with the link down below. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You can add 2 free jewelry pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Yeah, good marketing. All right, boys. First off, here's why I'm in this mood, bro. I got this in the mail today. I'm not supposed to yell. Ian's on a conference call downstairs, and I told him I wouldn't yell, but I'm in this mood because this damn box is too small. I might be a little picky right now. I've already said that, but this is why. Because I think our money is not going to be had here. $100 for their jewelry, real jewelry, but it's fake. You know what I mean? It's not real diamonds or real gold, but it's real jewelry. Title option brand and actually viral. Real jewelry, editing room, clap. That's what I do when I'm probably just not even gonna edit this out. Clap, I clap when I have to remember something. For the editing room brand, remember to add that in. All right, here's our $100 mystery box. You guys have seen the ads. If you look at jewelry on Instagram, you've seen the ads. It's freaking annoying. I'm actually annoyed already to even open this up, but you guys have asked so much, we're gonna do it. Aparo. Said their name one more time. Let's get into it, boys. After this ad, just kidding. I should do an ad twice. I'm gonna do the ad again, just for the goof. Don't get mad at me. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. Link is down below. We've got mystery boxes on there. Guess what? They're only $24.99. You're guaranteed to get more value out of the money you spent or something like that. I'm not really good at pitching these things, but it's super dope, bro. Somebody who orders one of the mystery boxes is either gonna get a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. And we also got free jewelry on there with the link down below. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You can add 2 free jewelry pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Yeah, good marketing. Goof over. All right, boys, $100. Oh, okay. Actually, I like that. Okay, I dropped something already. Not looking, not looking, not looking. I thought it would be like in plastic for some reason. First thing we got, it's like a shoe thing with a cross. I'm not necessarily religious myself. If you're religious, that's fine. But it goes on your like shoe. You know, I think that's what that is. That's actually kind of cool. I mean, I could put it upside down. No, I'm just kidding. So that's all right. I don't know. What is that? $5? Stupid, dumb. Next we have another one. Oh, 1 for each shoe. This makes sense now. So you put it with your shoelaces. I don't know if I explained that correctly, but that's what that is. No F's given. You guys can tell with this video. I'm not even gonna put any memes in because I don't care. That's the new peaks. I don't care today, but I'm still gonna entertain you. Next, we have a silica gel. Here, if you eat these, that's good. Just kidding. Don't do that, bro. Bad joke. We have a card, Aparo. We don't care. We don't care. I said their name again. My bad. Card. What is this? Authenticity. Fuck off. Next. What the f is that? What is this? First off, I'm not impressed. I'm truly happy-go-lucky. I'm still happy today. I just don't really care about this mystery box that you guys are wanting me to unbox because I think their jewelry seems like it might suck in it. Okay, so we have a pendant actually. No, it's not. It's an earring. We have an earring. Oh, I have to put that on. Oh, I'm gonna look like a dick. I'm gonna do it anyway. Let's go. I'm actually kind of stoked to try this. Do I look like one of those douchey TikTokers yet? Now I hate this brand. Well, I don't hate Aparo. Guys, I'll still work with you, but f off. What is that? Anyway, I think I felt one more thing in this box, boys. I can't even talk with this on my ear, dude. I feel like such an asshole right now. Jesus. Anyway, I do feel a chain. First off, $100. What are my thoughts so far? I can already feel what type of chain it is. It's a tennis chain. Yeah, it's a tennis chain. Okay, so first off, what would I call these? Maybe a buck or two on AliExpress. I'm trying to see if you get your money back. This, well, maybe not. Probably more. Probably $10. This right here, God, I hope you're not spending money on it. Now, this last one, we're gonna see if the quality's good because that's what your money is, boys. And it's their 4th year anniversary. I think that's why they're doing this. It sounds like such a sponsorship. It's really not. There's gonna be no links. Let's see how sick this is. The fuck is this? Oh no, I'm sorry. What the hell is that? What an ugly chain. It started off cool. Boys, there's like a scorpion hanging down from it with other little dinglings here. What are those? Are those little cactuses? Okay. Jesus. Very bad. I'm just gonna have to try this on. This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen in my life. This is ridiculous. I will say the clasp is actually really nice. That's actually really good quality. The style is stupid as all hell. What in the goddamn is that? What in the hell is hanging from me right now? I think it's a scorpion, boys. I couldn't even tell you. It looks like some Harry Potter stuff, and Harry Potter sucks. I'm pleasantly disappointed. This has ruined my day. Awful. After further review, it is a dragon. So we got the mouth there. That's his long beard. All around annoying to look at. Not sick. And then, yeah, we've got some cactuses hanging down, which doesn't make any sense. I've never seen any dragon hanging around cactuses. I don't even think dragons are in the desert. Appreciate you for watching. I just wasted $100 and hopefully entertained you a little bit. Bye. Oh, God. You know, I'm starting to like it. Maybe I should get one here, and one on my lip, and maybe one off my eyebrow. Not. Bye.